Well, thank you very much, Barbara.
After giving a speech at the Economic Club of New York, President Trump and Melania headed to John F. Kennedy Airport to return to the White House in Washington D.C. As they made the short trek from Marine One to Air Force One, with the temperature big in the 30s and the wind blowing in their direction, the First Lady kept warm as best she could. Melania wrapped her arms around herself while trying to keep warm. She even leaned into her husband's chest, prompting him to hug her. A protector Donald put his arm around his wife to help her keep warm during the walk across the tarmac, drawing a tender image of a current presidential couple. They were later seen landing at Joint Base Andrews in Maryland, where they boarded Marine One and flew to the White House. Also, it was nighttime. Melania had on dark sunglasses, as she usually does, because of the flashes. When she stepped off the helicopter and walked across the short lawn with her husband,